Hi, this is Will Cook with the Will Cook Group. Welcome back to my video blog. Today we're going to talk about a spring real estate market update. Sales are up, and for another month, average 3-month sales are more than they were last year. This month, sales averaged 633 units compared to 577 units a year ago. Every city except Desert Hot Springs and Indio had higher sales levels compared to last year. So let's take a look at some of the data. This seasonally adjusted curve shows where current sales are as a percent of historic norms. The light blue area is when sales are below average, and the green area, light green area, is when they're above average. Sales this month are 21.7% below normal, which is a slight improvement from the previous month. If mortgage rates decline, sales may return to normal levels by the end of the year. As you will see in this next slide, the median price of a detached home in the Coachella Valley in March was exactly $700,000, up 2.2% year over year. The seasonal pattern of rising spring prices is expected to continue for a few more months. However, with inventory increasing and sales remaining low, supply and demand continues to slowly favor buyers, which should somewhat limit the gains. In this next slide, you can see that on April 1st, Valley inventory was 2,450 units, which is the highest number since June of 2020. While inventory has improved, this number is still 500 to 1,000 units less than historic norms. The seasonal pattern now suggests that this may be the high for a while, since inventory usually declines between April and September. It will be important to see if this pattern continues this year. These two tables display the price and the price per square foot of the average size home in each Coachella Valley city. The average size home is listed in the second column. The current price is then compared to the price a year ago. It's also compared to the all-time lows made in 2011. Changes of detached home prices range from a 21.7% gain in Indian Wells to a decline of 5.9% in Desert Hot Springs. 6 cities have year-over-year gains for their average size detached home. 3 have declines. The median selling time in the valley has been slowly climbing over the last 3 months. At the end of March, the median number of days in the market in the Coachella Valley was 46 days, which is 2 days less than last year. We continue to believe the median selling time will remain around the current levels as we move further into the year. So what does all of this mean for buyers and sellers? Well, if you're a buyer financing your purchase, mortgage rates have ticked a bit higher and have been stubbornly high as the feds continue to tame inflation. A June rate cut is an unknown at this point, but it is anticipated that rates will be cut at some point later this year. At that point, it's likely there will be more competition in the market. If you're a seller, as we continue to see inventory increase, it will be more and more important to price your home for the current market. We are also seeing less buyers willing to take on substantial renovation projects and are favoring more recently renovated or updated homes, and they're even willing to pay a bit of a premium for that. Technically, we are still in a seller's market, but the tides are beginning to shift and favor buyers more and more every day. It's important to work with an experienced agent in this market or any market, and I'd like to apply for the job. If you have any questions about real estate, the market, what's going on, we want to talk about your unique situation, I'm happy to have a conversation with you. Just give me a call, a text, or an email. And as always, if you have any other real estate related topics or questions that I can answer, please also reach out to me with those. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.